guys, my friend is Mark Marvel. So in this video we are going to create the pass the message generator. So you are going to pass the message with using HTML plus CSS plus JavaScript. The JavaScript project. In this video I am going to tell you how can you make it. Simply I have my code editor. You can use any code editor, but I prefer you use VS Code. I have my code editor with the folder 2, so I am going to do work in it. I have the 1.html, style.css and script.js. Simply what we want. Wait, I will simply close it, and there is index.html here and a style.css js.js will be here like this, and wait, only index.html. This we are going to work with it. I am going to simply put an doc type here, and what I will do here with second, now what we have to do, we have to write here first the HTML. What is the HTML? The HTML I have to write here. I will write here first the title HTML plus CSS plus JavaScript, links CSS, and script src. What is the src? src script.js. And then what we have to do, all function down like anybody. What we need first, the input with the placeholder, write the message, and then what will be here. After that there will be and the ID. Further you are going to learn many more things. ID will be any, like you can say input, and there will be a paragraph with the output with in the ID. So I want to tell you that if you haven't subscribed my channel, so subscribe it and hit the bell icon button. So we are so near about 500 subscribers, so please do my 500 subscriber hurriedly, because after that there is new content waiting for you. Simply now the whatever the ID will be output, and then what we have to write the script. What is the script? First, styling. What is the style? There will be hash input, first multiply icon, multiply symbol, and padding will be 0. Padding will be 0. Padding margin will be 0 too. And then simply after these simple things, what you have to write here, you have to write here hash input border none outline 0. And then what you need here, one more thing, that is the width. Width will be 40 VW. Simply go live like this, and what we need here, save it. That's our live server. Into to index, write it message, and what we need here, the border bottom 2 with a solid black, save it. I take it like as a side and then like this. So you can see too. After that what we need is not enough 60 VH. Like this you can see too. And we need one more thing, placeholder color, like that will be defined, not big, little bit like darker. Like this, there will be a padding of 10 pixels, margin of 50 pixels, like this. Enough. Now we need a button. Now button first the output is the output, the font size little bit bigger like 18 pixels, and there is one more thing that we have to write here. There will be a button. There will be a button with the ID. Not will be ID. That you can say class and submit like this. And what is a class? Class will be here for an example. And we have to write here on click. There will be a function that we are going to write here, that is get. Only get. Simply you can say get message. Get and get will be fine. Now we are going to write the scripting first. Why the button is not here? Wait, I will say it and all. I will hold G to you so you can see it, but there is one more thing in the styling. We have to change margin left, margin top, save it like this, and margin bottom will be little bit, not so much, only little bit we can say. Bottom will be only like 4 pixels, and the top we have to write here text alignment center, and if I don't write the margin like this, it's looking like this with the margin bottom and with the margin left, so it's look like this. Okay, fine. Now what we need, as you can see, it is responsive too, and the button where is right here. Dot A, there will be and left, like 200 pixels of left. You can say margin left. So 40 pixels, I think. Yes, same. If I do now. But in the wait. Minimize it like this. Okay. And come back. Wait a second. It's loading. I'll minimize it first. Wait. We are going to wait. As you can see, it's open back. That is loading. We are going to wait. Like this, come back in the VS Code. Simply here, save it, come back in your Visual Studio. Okay. Now what we need here? Only the script is here left to go. Like we have to write here a constant with mesh in, you can say message input as equal to document dot get element by the ID. What is the ID? You can see here too. ID is input. We are going to write here the input. Done. Here we need only one. Now what we have to write here? Next, there is a machine dot add event listener. What is the event listener? Event listener is key up, key down, comma with the function. What is the function? There will be brackets again in it. There will be event, and then there will be curly bracket simply and like this. Now we have to write here if condition. What is the condition? Event, and then a curly bracket 2, and what was I want to write here? Wait, one more. Event dot key is equal to, and then what is the key name? Enter. Like this, and what is the, we have to make a function that is you can see here too, that is get m. We are going to write here get m function. Now what we need here, like I will tell you about one more thing why we have done this one. Now what we have to write here, we have to write the function get m, and then I'll curly bracket with, after that document dot get element by the ID. What is the ID? The ID will be the output one. You want to say output. Come here back, and in it what we need here, the ID will be this. Wait. The ID output. Wait. The ID is output, and then dot inner HTML is equal to machine. What is machine dot? This is the important one. Machine dot value. Don't forget to write this one. Value. The important work of value. Save it simply. By write ready, submit, so there will be finish, refresh. Good. Now what we have to write here? We have to write here, I will tell you what. If I like, what is the reason of this? So if I write Subhan and then submit, so we submit like this. But if I write here Subhan again and then wait, there will be one more thing. There will be one more. What? When we write get m in the upper, key down, and then comma, function event will be a curly bracket. If event dot key will be a key dot key, and then is equal to enter. Wait, okay. I think there will be no the curly bracket and get m function save it now. If I write here Subhan, enter, so there will be. So that was it. Simply, if I finish the enter and write a space, we can say like, wait, not this space, we can say as equal to, but we have to see, yes, events, and if I write here a, so if I write here like on, there will be the letter. So that's can take like tab will be not will be why right here. No, tab will not. You can take another one too like and curly bracket. Curly bracket. No. So we can take like only one curly bracket. You can see. Finish it. Like. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to press the like button. And I will meet you in the new video with my new content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.